how to build a successful NFT Discord community. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys here some tips and advice on how to do it. Let's get started. What's going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis, and if you guys love the latest and greatest crypto videos, leave a like, subscribe, and put that notification bell so you guys can keep up to date with the best crypto videos on YouTube. So if you're probably watching this, you probably have a project, whether it's NFT based or it could be any type of project, and you want to build a successful Discord community. So in my opinion, the first step that you guys should do is download Discord, obviously, get familiar with Discord, and you guys want to join Discord groups, whether you have interest in the project or not. The ones that are the most successful, one of them I definitely recommend is VeeFriends. VeeFriends is Gary Vee's NFT project, and their Discord is very active. You want to join all these active Discords like VeeFriends, and you want to see how it's all set up, how people interact with each other. One of the main things that you guys should implement in your Discord community right away is the verifications and rules page. This will prevent a lot of bots having a simple verification where somebody just clicks a button and goes through the rules, which involves no spamming, no shilling, no marketing your own projects. This will make it very clear for whoever's joining your Discord community to understand the rules and understand if they get kicked, it's because they violated the rules. One other super important thing that you guys want to know, when you guys join these successful Discord communities, you guys will note that they're very well laid out and organized, which is super easy to make. I definitely don't recommend it being all cluttered with a bunch of different subdivided topics. Once you guys are growing and starting new, just have it very simply, a general chat, the rules page, and then all the other pages that has something to do with your project. But try not to divide everything and add too much, because this will make it super overwhelming for somebody that just joined your Discord and is trying to figure out where to talk and interact. Now, after you guys create these Discords, you guys got to give a reason for people to come back and interact with your project, and that's going to involve you a lot. So you need to be on your Discord answering questions. You don't have to be 24/7, but you want to be active, right? Because if you're not active, then why are other people that are interested in your project going to be active? So you believe in your project, you know that it's going to be successful, so you got to be active on your Discord to make sure that their questions are answered. Always note that providing value from your Discord community is the #1 rule. That's something that Gary Vee always says, and you can definitely see with his VeeFriends Discord community, providing value, giving back to the person joining the community. You want to have something that makes people want to go back to it. And lastly, one of the most important things to grow your Discord community is marketing, and you guys want to market it very good, whether it's on Twitter, Instagram, anywhere that lets you put your Discord. In my opinion, Twitter is the #1 place, because Twitter has such a huge NFT community that people are always liking, retweeting every single second. If somebody huge just retweets your Discord, you can gain a lot more users, and then hopefully you can convert those users to be active and actually be interested in your project. So my #1 pick would definitely be Twitter, but don't leave out YouTube and also TikTok. TikTok is another pretty good one as well, that you guys could use it as leverage to grow your Discord community. Understand that consistency is your friend, and if you guys are consistent on all these social medias, including Twitter, TikTok, even Instagram, you guys will grow your Discord community as long as you provide value in the end. And last but not least, make sure you have a feedback page and AMAs so people in your community can be heard. People want to be heard in the community. These people want to give advice to you and help the community even more. So providing a feedback page or going live on an AMA session where people can send you questions on how to improve the community, or maybe they got some questions that need some answers. And this is probably the best way to give back to your Discord community members, and it will make them a lot more confident in the project and wanting to come back and interact with people on the Discord community. So those are my tips and advice on how to build and grow your NFT community, whether it's NFT based or anything. I do think that if you guys follow these steps, you will have a very successful Discord community with a lot of active members. And if you guys want to join mine, you guys can join mine, which is based on crypto passive income. It's a Discord with people who are like-minded, have an interest in building crypto passive income. You guys can join that if you guys are interested. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment below what you guys think, if you guys got other advice and tips, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.